Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the super long, super strong Stingaree. This here is AMT kit. AMT 1259-12 is the part number for this particular kit. Here's the side of this box. And here's the framework that's in there. Very cool, the chassis. The kit's put out by Round 2. And it came out, this kit came out in September 1st of 2021. So let me go ahead and set you down here on the camera. I'm going to do an unboxing for you. See what kind of goodies we get in this one. I picked this one up at Ollie's. Right there. I imagine there's still some available. Didn't have a huge choice the last time I was there. Yeah, I mean a huge selection. Yeah, I mean, you know, you get what we get, right? Go ahead and peel that off. Alrighty, here we go, folks. Alright, right off the top we have the chrome. Go ahead and cut into this one. Now, if I remember correctly, this kit was originally released, I want to say 1971. And then it went through a couple of different iterations, and then it come back around to this one. Here's the rear end, fuel tank, little dashboard, control panel, whatever you want to call it. This here is a linkage for, I think, the shifter, or no, I'm sorry, not the shifter, the steering. That whole thing there. Here's a rear suspension parts and exhaust port, I think. Oh no, that's the scoop. You put those two together, that becomes the air scoop for the top of the engine. That's what that was. And here, behind a piece of paper, wow, look at that, guys. AMT is taking on a lesson from Mobius, eh? That's pretty cool. So here are just whatever these are. These are the exhaust pipes. That's what those are. We'll set that back on there. I think that one was inside, right? Yep. Yep, just like that. And then here we have the wheels. These tiny little bicycle wheels in the front. Big old drag slicks for the back. Engine valve covers. Looks like a Hemi engine. Big old blower there, the front of that, the back of it, front and back. This is, I think this is the timing chain cover, actually. I don't know what these are. This might be the top of the engine or the parts that hold the engine into the frame, something like that. There's no part number on them. Actually, there's no part number on any of these. So we'll have to look carefully at the pictures in the instructions. Here's shock absorbers and some lights. That went this way, like that. Okay, I'm going to put these right back in the package here, just to keep them from getting scuffed up. Alright, and we have the tires. Oh boy, look at these guys. What the heck am I looking at here? Look at the tires. How funny is that? These are the rear tires, parts of them. Hopefully there's more in here somewhere. I don't know, because these are definitely the front ones. Look how tiny those are. They don't even fit my finger. Let's see, they barely go around my pinky. In fact, they don't even go past the knuckle. That's how small the front wheels are, the tires. And then two halves. It looks like there's pieces missing here. I'm not sure, unless it's made out of plastic. Oh no, here they are, guys. They had them in a separate bag. Good thing. I was a little confused there at first. Well, I was a lot confused, actually. So this piece goes into here, and it's decent. Fits nice. It's a nice looking tire. Big old pad printed Goodyear on there. That's nice. I do like those. Those are very nice. This kit would be worth it just to get these tires for another model. Those are very nice tires. Good rubbery feel. That part goes together easy, and it'll glue in. It'll be at the back. You'll never see it. Scuff them up and give them some realistic flair to them. Very nice. Alright, I'll put those in there. And then these two little guys, I'll just throw them back in this one. And we'll set them over here for now. Alright, molded in white parts. We have 2 bags. These bags are pretty thick. Now the kit itself is a kind of a yellowy white, or it's dirt. No, it's dirty. Look at this, guys. Can you see all the flaws in there? I don't know if the lighting's going to pick up on it, but this thing is absolutely filthy. The plastic itself has got all kinds of like pebbles and, or not pebbles. It's filthy. There's dirt and like water spots. Wow, that's crazy. Crazy. But you know, you'll scuff it up and paint it and you'll never see it. Alright, here is the seat. This here is going to fall off, so I'm just going to take it off. The battery. I think these are the wheelie bars for the rear. The shifter thing and some this is the exhaust collectors. That might even be the steering column. Here's the hump in the middle where the driver sits. These are the well, these are normally the lifts for like funny cars and holds the hood up, but I don't know how it works on there. Little tiny steering wheel. Chair that looks like it's a king's throne. I have no idea. And then the engine halves right there. Okay detail, nothing special. The heads, fan belt and pulleys, and the intake manifold. And hiding in there is the parachute, I believe. Maybe. Yep. That's the back of the parachute. I just put all those back in there. I can't believe how filthy these are. They're supposed to be white, and they're like dirty yellow. Whitish yellow. Alright, and the last of the molded in whitish parts, we have, I think this is going to be the body, right? That's all that's left. Here's the long nose part. And the rear portion of it. Yep. I'm not sure what that is. Here's another seat. Okay. And this is the side pieces. Your exhaust come out of these two sides. So this is like the driver's side, and this would be the passenger side on this one. There's frame rail pieces. That's pretty cool. Engine support or cross rail. Don't know what this is. And again, nothing is numbered, so we'll have to just look at the instructions. That's that. Okay, and we have the clear glass for the front window. And this is one metal axle. And then these are the same. I have clear glass and then a blue clear. And all we have is the window, the front window. There's no glass for the back or the sides, like it shows on the box. That's interesting. Maybe it's in a decal. Here's the decals. We'll go ahead and, if I knew where the scissors were, here they are. We'll cut this open and see what's inside there. Oh, very cool. Very nice decals. I like those. Different multicolored things you can put on there. But no glass decals, so we'll have to just paint those up, I guess. That'll be fine. And last but not least, we have the instructions. Oh, sweet. Look at this, guys. Here's a little mini box. It's huge as far as scale goes. It doesn't meet the scale of the kit, but it's pretty cool that it's a actual box. You cut it out and fold it over and make a little AMT box. That's kind of neat, different, eh? That would be nice to put on display somewhere. And then for the instructions, Naturally, we have instructions that mention part numbers that are not on the parts at all. So here we go. This says Stingaree long nose, or is it Stingaree? It might be, but I see Stingaree. Potato, you know, whatever. Here's your magneto, your blower, injectors, manifold. So we're building the engine as the first step. Very cool. Here's some paint color choices if you'd like to help guide you along. And we put the wheels together. We've seen how we did that already, sort of. Fuel tank. Okay, that other piece that was chrome is a front cross member. Kind of cool. And here the other one is the rear cross member. So that's nice. Apparently that's part 45, even though it's not listed on the tree. But we get it. That last piece was a rear brace that I didn't recognize. And here, step 4. Interior, battery, axle, tie rod. Okay, now this is a tie rod. Cement all parts unless otherwise indicated. Okay. Alright, rear springs. And there's the body. The rear panel. The optional color for your parachute. So you can paint that color, paint it any color you want. Here's the drag link. That's what that's called, that big long one. And the steering unit, drive shaft, location, headlights. And that's it. That's all the instructions. 5 steps, you guys. Alright. Well, there you have it, folks. That is the super long, super strong Stingaree long nose by AMT. I hope you enjoyed that one. I thank you all for stopping by. As always, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And help me to continue to grow this channel, because I am having an absolute blast. And I hope you guys enjoy my content. I wish you all a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.